And then 6 months we spent in kibbutzim. And again, it was just fabulous to be in the kibbutz and work. And I volunteered to work in the refet, which is with the cows. And so in one of the kibbutzim, I used to basically be a farmer. I used to go and milk cows. I still remember my routine was in the morning, one of the first things I used to do is take a big cup and put it in the refrigerator with the milk had just been milked, right? And it was just in the refrigerator. Just drink my cup of milk. You know, it was paradise. And in the second kibbutz, I was a cowboy. So every morning I would go, saddle my horse with an Arab worker, and take the cattle to pasture. So, I mean, you know, for a kid from Mexico to be able to do that was just incredible. So the independence, the autonomy, a lot of physical work. You know, one of the things that we always emphasize, both in Hebrew school and in my house and in the youth movement and in Israel, is no work is ever beneath you, okay? And you can never say that's not my responsibility. For instance, I still remember in Hebrew school, walking in the hall, and the principal saying, "Can you pick up that paper?" And you would say, I didn't do it. It's not my paper. And he would sort of say, well, but this is your school. This is your community. So you have to do that. So all those experiences that were then reinforced in Israel too, that you clean the latrines because that's part of the community. To me, those have been life lessons in terms of how do you behave and what do you do for the community. So no work is ever beneath you. We used to read Gordon and used to read all the Zionist writers about going back to the earth and work, how work is important. And so I practiced all those things. And also intellectually, you know, it became very important to know how to speak, to be able to debate, to be able to put your arguments across. So that really made very, very, was very important.